cosmetic and makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. It is too hot for me to talk. There's a train. Great. I'm sweating profusely. It's too hot. I can't talk, so it's gonna be a very quick intro message and I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial. I just wanted to let you know that this makeup is part of my 31 Days of Halloween. So, sorry, it's so hot. So if you haven't seen my other makeups, check out the previous ones and come back tomorrow for another one. I'm so sorry, I am sweating and I'm scared the makeup's gonna melt like butter. Oh god. It is so hot right now. This is like the worst summer we've had in years. I have to start my makeup at 5 or 6 a.m. so I don't literally faint and melt. But yeah, I think I've said everything. If you want to know how I did this cute, creepy clown makeup, keep watching and see you at the end of the tutorial. Alright guys, I'm ready to start my makeup and the first thing I will do is I will moisturize my skin. Okay, now I'm going to put on some primer. Alright, now let's draw the shape of the clown mask. Alright, now I'm going to put foundation on the outside of the mask. Okay, now I'm going to paint the inside of the mask white. Okay, and now let's set all this with loose powder. Okay, now let's add a cute pink nose. Okay, now as you can see I've done this eyebrow and I'm gonna do the other one because it's got a little bit of white paint on it, and also here my hair is done grow, so I'm gonna fill that hole in with black eyeshadow. Alright, now let's do the eye makeup. So for the transition color, I'm using this eyeshadow. And now let's put on eyeliner. Now my favorite eyelashes, Artisan lashes. I love them. Beautiful. Okay, I'm now going to do the lips, and I'm starting with eyeshadow to give a blurry effect around my lips. Now I'm going to use the same illuminating powder I used on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to highlight my cupid's bow and maybe also my nose because I forgot to do it. It's hot! Now for the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede. Yes, Liquid Suede, and the color is Pink Lust. Okay, I'm done with the face, except for the contacts and the wig, but I'll do that at the end because right now, guys, it is 100, my neck is weird. What is this? Anyway, yeah, it's 110 degrees almost, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to paint the fake clothes here, but first I will sketch them with my white crayon. And now I'm going to cast a shadow under the cloth with my contouring palette. Well guys, I'm done with the makeup and the body paint, and now I'm going to put on my contacts. Thank you Fashion Lentilles for sending me the contacts. They look amazing. They are pink and white. They look a bit creepy, but I think it's gonna go with the clown makeup. Super creepy. Oh my god, I look scary. Okay, well, now I'm gonna put on the wig and I have a very bad feeling about it. Not because it's a bad wig, but it's super hot, so I hope I don't sweat like crazy and ruin the makeup, but I guess we will see. The dreaded outro and intro messages. It's gonna be very fast, guys, because it's super hot and I'm melting by the second. That's it, obviously. Captain Obvious. It's me. I am done and I hope you enjoyed it. It was super fun. I look creepy. I initially wanted to do a cute clown makeup, but clowns are not cute usually, I guess. And the contacts, they just completely changed the look for the better. I really love it. It's super, super cool, kind of creepy. And it's too hot for me to speak, so I gotta go. Thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Bye.